All right, my friends, today I'm doing a melt and pour soap, and I will be doing a sweet orange oil, essential oil inside this melt and pour soap. And this is my Emoji soap. I'm so excited. So about 2 weeks ago, I showed you how to make a bendy soap. See that? My bendy soap. I can put that in the description box below so you can see how to make this bendy soap. All right, so here is the bendable soap. So you saw I put those 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil. Ready? Bendable soap. See that? How cool that is? 2 teaspoons. Look at this one. Same deal. You can bend it in every shape. See? I use vegetable glycerin. That's how you make it bendy. And I'm going to start putting some of these embeds in here. And then the top of it's just going to be clear. That's all I'm doing with this. It's clear. So it's a semi-simple soap, except for the embeds, which there are a ton of. So, look, I've got this bendy soap. I have this color bendy soap. Cool, huh? I have, oh, look at the emojis. I've got an emoji here. He's sad. He's a sad emoji. And then I've got some odds and ends here we're going to slide in. So, let's see here. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with some of these and I'm going to roll them in and stick them in like so. Actually, I think I need to put some in there first. I need to put some of my clear in here first. I do believe. I'd put some of my essential oil in. So friends, I'm having technical issues. So you got through most of the video and it would not tape for me. It would not tape. It kept saying everything was full. So I deleted a bunch of apps and deleted a bunch of stuff and it still wouldn't do. So I'm going to show you the final version of the emoji soap and then I will cut it here momentarily. Again, I use sweet orange oil in this, and this is full of bendy soaps and emoji faces. So hold tight and I will show you the cutting of this soap. Before I cut this emoji soap, I wanted to show you the outside of it. Look how cool that looks. Look how cool that looks. That looks so cool. Right, so I'm going to cut this soap. Look, I have to use this big old thing because if I use the wire cutter, it would break the wires on the wire cutter. So what I've done here is I have used the wire cutter just to make marks. You can see like right there, just kind of so I know where to cut. So, but I need to use this. So I'm just going to line up my marks here. Oop. I'm going to start them down here. I'm going to cut on down here and cut this end off. See? There's the end of it. Interesting, I suppose. I'm going to line these up here. And I'm going to cut through it, as making it as easy as possible. I just cut an emoji. Oh, no. All right. Look at this. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Look at that. Ooh, and it smells like sweet orange oil. So guys, I was having technical difficulties while trying to film this. My camera kept shutting off. So I apologize. You didn't get to see a whole lot of the making of it. But as you guys know, when you start making soap, technical difficulties or not, you got to keep going with it. So that's what I did. I just kept rolling with it. So at least you get to see the cutting of it. Yeah. Look at this one. Let's see here. Ooh, that's kind of cool. Look, he's sad. He's sad. Look, he's got a sad. He's sad. I can tell you exactly what happened there. See how it's kind of wispy there? So what's happened there is when this melt and pour soap was dumped in, it was a little hot and it melted some of the purple just a little bit. But it still makes kind of a cool effect, don't you think? See how cool that is? This looks like a jellyfish inside there. So let me talk to you about what's going on with school in this day of COVID. Ready? We have been back for 2 days, the school teachers have, and we have just been planning how do we teach our children virtually, because all of Charlotte-Mecklenburg schools is starting all grade levels virtually. So we as teams of people have been trying to figure out what in the world is that going to look like, because none of us have done this before, you know, the way we did some of it in the spring, but that version, this is a souped up version of that, way more intense than the springtime was. So we have been trying to get those plans together and figure out what the district wants and what the state's expecting and all of that. We also found out that 2 elementary schools in Mecklenburg County, I guess the teachers went back, and 2 different teachers in 2 different buildings found out they had COVID. So they ended up shutting down those 2 elementary schools and re-disinfecting all of it and sent everybody home to work from home. So that's kind of how we have started so far. It smells super good. I'm cutting my emojis. There's a 1 whole emoji. Look at that. The yellow's the emoji. These are all emojis down here. Aren't those cool? Super cool. And then here's my end piece. Look. Bendy soap. Fun stuff. If you like what you saw, please subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment below. And give me a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching all of this.